So this is how the camp looks like. Looks cheesy. Oh, there is someone. Hey, it's Motogod. Welcome back with brand new video. So today we are traveling to Anantagiri Hills on my Yamaha RX. So I'm gonna quickly unwrap the motorcycle and we're gonna quickly loop the chain and then we'll go towards Anantagiri Hills.
Please, oh God, forgive me. Gotta tell you what I did is kinda evil. Could've made a deal with him, but honestly don't need to. Tell me, devil, would you give your soul for free? Well then come on, devil, won't you sell your soul to me? Look at this moment in place, I'm doing it for the reactions. Someone who will laugh in your face, someone who'll be paying the taxes, yeah. I gotta get back in the pace, I gotta wait for the relaxing, yeah. Why you be napping, yeah, pick up my napkin, yeah. Look at this moment in place, see that I'm open to taste. You couldn't go but a fake.
So you can see the 2T oil tank was full, filled with the Shell 2T oil, and we also gonna add some oil into the petrol tank just in case for safety purpose. We really don't want to miss the whole ride by the engine seizure, so I'll go to my friend, I'll pick him up and then we'll start the ride. So now I'm going to fuel station to fill some fuel in it, and I don't know how much mileage does this motorcycle gives, but we're gonna fill 600. So up it's around 100 kilometers and down it's another 100 kilometers. It's total 200 kilometers ride. So I'm gonna fill 600 for now. Let's see. I hope it will give some mileage.
Look at this moment in place, I'm doing it for the reactions. Someone who will laugh in your face, someone who'll be paying the taxes, yeah. I gotta get back in the pace, I gotta wait for the relaxing, yeah. Why you be napping, yeah, pick up my napkin, yeah. Look at this moment in place, see that I'm open to taste. You couldn't go but a fake, loving the words that he says. See when I'm up in your place, too many up in your place, too many faces, too many places, yeah. Please, oh God, forgive me, gotta tell you what I did is kinda evil. Could've made a deal with him, but honestly don't need to.
I and there is another friend, we both gonna come on this Yamaha RX100 and we'll rent some another bike, and one other friend will come on that motorcycle. So totally 3 members. It's totally a kind of unplanned adventure kind of ride. Let's see. Quickly came to my friend's place and you can see I changed the 2T oil pipe. This is brand new one. The pump is working absolutely fine, and there is another small issue. You can see my front right side fork oil seal got busted. I think it can survive this ride 200 kilometers. Maybe once I'm back I'll do that job. And yeah, Arun, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
And this is my friend Arun, schoolmate. What is this?
This is barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce, barbecue stand, and you are ready with your whole luggage, right?
Let's go, man.
Let's rock it, man. So all set to go. Everything was prepared now. This is for barbecue, time for marination, and this is what is called? Paneer tikka.
Yeah, paneer tikka.
Yeah. So almost prepared, and we are about to start. And I'll see you in the motor vlog. The barbecue stand, and this is where our tent and equipment. And in Arun's bag we have our small equipment, power banks, cameras, etc. And we are also shooting in this camera. This is Canon G7X, and we are about to start. Yeah. Bye. So we just crossed the city and we are in the outskirts. Another 60 kilometers to go to Anantagiri Hills, but there is hell lot of traffic, guys. So you can see Vikarabad to the right, Chilikuru is also for our right. So this is the first time that I'm traveling on this motorcycle. This is Yamaha RX 135 4-speed, and the last video also got a little bit viral. If you search in YouTube like Yamaha RX 135, the first video that pop up is mine. So yeah, it's close to 5,000 views, and I hope this video is also going to be rock. So we have to go as fast as possible because again it is going to be sunset, so there is no time for to set up the camp. So we are cruising at 70 kilometers per hour. Hopefully we can reach there in an hour. So yeah, I'm not able to talk much in this motor vlog. I'm more into roads because you guys already know I met with an accident previously, so I don't want to take any risks. And after reaching there, I'll ask my friend about how the pillion experience on Yamaha RX. We are completely in the woods, bro. Totally in the woods. And I really don't know why my horn is behaving. Oh my god. Someone met with an accident. Holy shit. Shit. I think someone met with an accident over there. No, I just seen a Pulsar right side. Let's go inside, huh? No, bro. Shall we go? No. No, bro, we are getting late. But the trees and everything is kind of very good here. Yeah, I'm trying fake accent. We just stopped nearby. అరే మచ్చి దూసిపోయి పడిపోయిందిరా. It is missing, guys. ఇది ఒకటి ఉంటుంది సిల్వర్ కలర్ది. This was missing. Just now I just noticed. Somewhere I think somewhere it just fell down. Holy fuck. And this is how my motorcycle looks like, whole package, with my friend Arun. He is the only person that came to me.
Bro, this fucking missing out of your.
Yeah, bro, that was missing, unfortunately. But no problem, that will cost you around 80 to 100 rupees, that's it. Yeah, I just seen at my home. That is for air intake and for the carburetor. And it's around 18 kilometers more to reach our destination. Till now, how many kilometers we just traveled, bro?
Let me check, man.
Around 82 kilometers. Yeah,
80 is normal. Yeah.
82 kilometers we just traveled. And we really don't know that's the same Mirzapur as Munna Bhaiya's Mirzapur. But here it was written as Mirzapur. Yeah. And I'm gonna give you a quick walk around of this motorcycle. Engine was pretty much hot. And you can see the 2T oil is fully functional and this part is missing on the other side. And before starting I just lubed, and this is coal, guys, for barbecue. It's about to tear, so we have to change the cover for this, and some bed sheets, some jackets, some camping tent. This is barbecue mission, grill to be precise. And here we have the camera and equipment, all the stuff. Yeah, at Mirzapur, near to Mirzapur, we are close to Anantagiri Hills. Yeah, we're gonna start the ride again, bro. We quickly hop on the motorcycle and we'll start again. So we quickly came to the Anantagiri Hills, I mean close to the Anantagiri Hills, and we just stopped the motorcycle over there, and that's my helmet. And we are having something, Coke with Arun. And all of my friends are watching this video because everyone give me hand this year. They are
Especially Jayant, man.
Jayant.
You big hand, man. I never forget you, bro.
Yeah, bro. We planned everything. We started from a home, and later on he just said like it's not possible with me. Then it's a big flop for our plan today. But fortunately, he came for the ride, and we are doing this ride. And I'll see you at Anantagiri Hills. So finally, we came to Anantagiri Hills. You can see the view behind me, and we are in the middle of woods. This is like pure forest. There is one issue with this location. So basically we really don't want to camp in a private place where they provide shelter and everything. We really want to do the camp in the woods, like proper jungle. So we also have some safety equipment as well, but if some cops caught us, then definitely they'll put us behind the bar. So that's the issue. And we also asked the local people here. They also said that there is some issue with cops, so they are preferring us to camp in the private camp section. But my friend Arun went there over the woods, and he is just finding a good place to camp. And wow, this place is absolutely amazing, and I really love this place. And so far the motorcycle is very good. We only took around 1-2 stops in between, and I'll catch you guys after finding a good place and after arranging the tent and the fire. Then I'll vlog it again. So that's it for now. So Arun just came here and tell me, did you find any good place to camp?
Yeah, I think there is a better place there. So I think it's completely open for everybody.
Yeah,
So I
maybe
think,
we can face some issue with the cops. So
yeah. So it's better we go inside. There is a good place and we can see people over there. I don't know, maybe your people can
I
see
mean,
them.
the camera doesn't give justice for them. It can only seen by our naked eye. So
Quite long away.
we'll just go with the bike because I'm really scared about the puncture issue because we are literally.
No, it's a nice road outside.
Okay. I mean, we are literally in the woods, so there is no puncture shop. There is no one to rescue here, so it's kind of creepy. So we'll just go over there and we'll camp it, and later on we'll just vlog. So it's kind of scary. Sorry for the sound. This is barbecue metal sound, and we're literally going into the woods. We will hide our motorcycle behind these bushes, and we'll go somewhere inside there and we'll camp over there. Is it okay to leave the bike here, or else we'll take the motorcycle over there?
We'll take it, man. We cannot take risk, man.
Okay, come, let's go on. We are going inside the jungle. I mean, this place is very creepy, guys. This is the first time that we are experiencing this kind of, oh my god, I'm breathing a lot, and we really don't know whether is it safe to go inside or not, but okay, it's kind of very creepy, bro. I mean, there are a lot of peacocks over here. Wow, let's bring our bike to here, bro.
I have a doubt, man. This is looking like a road actually. So I think the cops or bikes can come. You can see the side prints here.
Yeah, we can see the tire marks.
Yeah. So people are often coming here. This is for sure.
Maybe someone coming here for the camping. I really don't. Yeah, someone coming for here camping.
Yeah, man. Because you can see fire also.
Yeah, you can see the old fire.
So I think that's a good place, man. We are near to.
No, bro,
road.
this is the good place, I think.
So
Literally.
how you bring the bike? We need to bring.
We'll get it, no problem.
So we'll put bike there.
Okay.
Where we will camp because we need to.
Here we'll camp it.
No,
at
man, we
this-
cannot camp it here.
Why?
We need 2 trees to the rope thing.
Okay.
So that is what I'm planning. That one is good. If not, because this is too dark place. I don't know. This is a good place because snakes might come in.
Okay.
So I think that's a good place, man.
Literally, it's pitch black, and Arun is coming on the motorcycle. Arun is getting Yamaha RX inside the woods. I mean, this is really kind of scary. No one, literally no one in the woods. You can see the beautiful sunset. I mean, the camera is not focused at all, but you can see Arun is coming with the motorcycle. Just place the motorcycle over there, bro. We literally came here with our Yamaha RX 135. So we quickly have to set up the camp. Arun is going to get the other equipment for this camp, and so we just arranged the campfire near the camp. I hope you guys can see. You can see Yamaha RX as well. So we quickly take some fuel from the RX, and we are making it fire. So we are doing the second round. You can see the smoke coming out of these pieces. And all the vegetarians, sorry for that, but we'll do what we have to do. What you say, bro?
Yeah, man. This one is so juicy, man.
Juicy piece.
Please, oh God, forgive me. Gotta tell you what I did is kinda evil. Could've made a deal with him, but honestly don't need to. Tell me, devil, would you give your soul for free? Well then come on, devil, won't you sell your soul to me? Look at this moment in place, I'm doing it for the reactions. One who will laugh in your face and one who'll be paying the taxes, yeah. I gotta get back in the pace, I gotta wait for the relaxing, yeah. Why you be napping, yeah, pick up my napkin, yeah.
And we are finishing our first round pieces. Just taste one piece and then let me know, Arun.
Oh my god, it's fucking tasty, man.
So, applying with minus. Wow, bro, this is seriously, bro, this is super good. I really loved it. I'll try it another piece. I'll try the whole piece. So this is the one that we are mixing. Super good. Fantastic. Juicy. It's kind of juicy, tenderness. What it called, bro?
Yeah,
I really
man,
don't
tender.
know. The person who do the cooking videos, what's his name? Rome Gavzi something. Sanjay Ram. Sorry. What's his name?
Gordon Ramsay.
Yeah,
Mr. Ramsay.
he'll eat like this. Fucking disgusting. But this is super good. Do you want to share anything else?
Yeah, guys, I want you to all to feel this experience. Try to come Anantagiri Hills. Not especially Anantagiri Hills, but you can do, you need to enjoy, man. Do whatever you love.
I mean, it's really dark and scared to do the vlog here because it's super dark, guys. Like, the camera is giving justice only to my face, but behind me it's pitch dark. You can see that. We finally did it. We came to Anantagiri Hills. I mean, this is a kind of experience that I would like to share with you guys. This is one amazing experience that you also have to experience the same kind of wildlife. So we finished the barbecue. It's almost done, and you can see our tent behind us. You can see Arun. He's in the WhatsApp call with Jayant. That is the guy who missed this trip. So, and that's our RX shining. We're gonna quickly go into our tent and we're gonna sleep for now. So yeah, this is all about Anantagiri Hills camping.